Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily get your plagiarism report in Grammarly. So all you have to do is just head over to app.grammarly.com or simply launch the Grammarly desktop app. Then just open an existing document or click New to paste or upload content. Then in the bottom right corner, just click on Plagiarism and Grammarly will scan your text against academic databases and billion of web pages. After scanning, Grammarly will display a plagiarism percentage, highlighted text that matches online sources, source URLs or publication names, and suggestions for revision or citation. From there, you can take a screenshot of the plagiarism results section, or you can copy and paste the results into a Word or Google Doc and save. And for business or education accounts, admins may have access to internal reporting features. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!